In the past year, altcoins have gone absolutely parabolic. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the best strategies to be able to get in on altcoins early that have that 100x potential. So if you're on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko looking for the best crypto to buy now in April of 2024, then I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, because when we look at Bitcoin right now, sitting just barely below $70,000, if we compare that to Total 3, which is the entire altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're still 50% away from the all-time high. So the entire altcoin market cap is lagging behind Bitcoin, and everybody knows that if you want to create life-changing wealth this bull run, you do that by spotting the right altcoins before they break out. For example, in November of 2023, I made this video titled the top 5 crypto coins that will make millionaires, and one project was Render, sitting at $2.74. And since then, Render exploded over 400%, doing a 4x early in the bull run. I also gave you IMX at $1.20. And since then, IMX exploded over 255% to over $3.70. I also gave you CDeFi Fund at $1.56. And since then, CDeFi rallied over 250% over $5. And we're just getting started in this bull run. So if you're looking for the best crypto to buy now to turn $1,000 into $10,000, $100,000, or even $1 million this entire bull run in 100 to 1,000x short portfolio, then this is the video that you're going to want to watch all the way to the end. So if you're feeling bullish, comment 777. If you're feeling blessed, comment 777. And if you're going to become the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm it by tapping that subscribe button. Let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to be able to make the most amount of money possible in this bull run, I want to share with you guys exactly how to do that. But first, I want to give a fat disclaimer here, because most people that come into these markets aren't going to create life-changing wealth. In fact, most people lose money because they operate off emotion, they buy tops, they sell bottoms, and they don't watch these videos all the way to the end and subscribe to the channel. So quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Consult your financial advisor. These videos are purely for educational purposes only, for informational purposes only. I always encourage you to do your own research, and crypto is very, very risky. So what I'm about to share with you in this video is proven. It's for example purposes only, but also there is a high level of risk in these markets. The further down the list that you get, on the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko websites, because as you can see, Bitcoin has a market cap of $1.3 trillion. So to create life-changing wealth, if you're coming to these markets and you're just buying Bitcoin, expecting to get 100x, it's not going to happen this bull run cycle. Sure, Bitcoin might do a 2 to a 5x, and it might go up to maybe $200,000. Heck, maybe 250, 300,000 at the best case scenario, or it might just top out at like $110,000, $120,000. Nobody knows how high Bitcoin is going to go, but everybody knows that just to buy Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin is safe, secure strategy in the crypto market. But we're not coming to the crypto market just looking to get a 2x. We're looking to get those degenerate, disgusting, but also life-changing 50, 100, 500, or even 1,000x in these markets. So how you do that is very, very simple. You need to understand, number one, which narratives are going to absorb the majority of the liquidity during this entire bull run. For example, meme coins are going to crush it. Solana ecosystem is going to crush it. The base ecosystem is going to crush it. Gaming, artificial intelligence is going to crush it. But number two, you need to be able to find the top tier blue chip projects before they even launch and get listed at like a 5 million, 10 million, 20, 50, or even $100 million market cap, because you really have 3 categories of market cap. You have the large cap, which are $1 billion or more. And as you guys can see, if we scroll down on CoinMarketCap, you can see it goes 4 billion, 3 billion, 2 billion. And then if we get all the way down to the final project that has $1 billion market cap, that's all the way down to 98 and 99 in this list. Now, smart investors, they allocate, like 60 to 80% of their portfolio to large cap projects. And then the remainder of their portfolio, they diversify into mid cap projects, which are anywhere between 100 million and $1 billion. And then small cap and even micro cap projects that are all the way down the list, sub $100 million market cap. So to find these small cap projects, we're all the way on page number 5. And once you start getting to page 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you start getting down to the degenerate filth of the crypto market that's absolutely rotten and disgusting. But if you spot the right projects, that's how you can catch those 500 or even 1,000x plays. So one category of crypto that I talked about a while back is launch pads within the gaming sector. Now, another category to look for is top decentralized autonomous organization tokens by market capitalization, because when we look at the market cap cap of this sector, it's $48 billion. And as you guys can see, the top tier projects with over $1 billion market cap is Internet Computer, Uniswap, Arbitrum, BitTensor, Maker, Lido DAO, Wormhole. They just recently launched with their airdrop on the Solana network, Aave. And then further down the list are the mid-cap projects and even the small-cap projects. Now, DAO is simply a decentralized autonomous organization. And when DAOs are formed, founders frequently mint what's called a governance token, which is a type of crypto asset that may entitle the holders to DAO membership and a certain amount of voting power on DAO decisions. And typically the more tokens that someone holds, the more votes that they have, and also the bigger allocations that they get to new token launches. And DAO tokens are typically initially distributed to the project's management, early backers, and other stakeholders, but then they can be bought and sold in secondary markets like any other cryptocurrency. And the more DAO tokens that you hold, depending on the ecosystem, can give you larger allocations to airdrops and new token launches that have sub $10 million market caps before they 10x and go to $100 million market cap, and then 100x and go to $1 billion market cap. Now here's a list of the top 10 DAOs by governance token market capitalization. Uniswap's number 1, and that's a decentralized exchange. Lido DAO is a liquid staking protocol. Ape Foundation, they dealt with the NFTs, the metaverse, and entertainment in Web3. Arbitrum is a layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum. So DAOs can be within one or multiple different narratives and sectors of crypto. They don't just have to be limited to one. And while some people would contend that Bitcoin was the first DAO, DAOs as we know them today began as smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain, and similar DAOs are now being built on other open source blockchains like the Binance Smart Chain, on Matic, on Solana, and they're designed to run through smart contracts where organizational policies are codified and executed once predefined criteria are met. And so simply put, DAOs are designed to raise capital for new projects and reward their token holders. And the biggest opportunity that I see right now in crypto is in new DAOs that are launching that have that 100x potential. And this is quite possibly the last chance to see 100 or 1000x gains in this bull run, because when Bitcoin passes its all-time high, then altcoins are going to absolutely fly, and you're going to miss out if you don't capitalize now. And one of the top DAOs that is set to launch their new token this month that has already made massive partnerships is called Moonboots DAO. Now, what I'm going to do is leave a link below this video to their official website so you can follow along with me in this video, because there's tons of fake scam websites out there that try to scam new crypto investors when projects are launching. So make sure that you're on the official website through the link below. Otherwise, you're most likely going to be on a fake website. And on their main page, you're going to see a contribute now button. And when you click that, you simply enter in how much USDT you want to contribute at the token valuation of about 10 cents. And it's going to show you how many MB DAO tokens you will receive for allocation for their launch. Now, if you do at least $500, they say you get special access to a MB1 Genesis membership NFT that's going to have exclusive benefits and utility. You also get passive growth through their fund performance, which I'm going to explain a little bit. They have staking for ecosystem rewards. You also get crowdfunding access, and you're locked in at the 10-cent price. And their IDO price is going to be 12 cents at a $12.5 million fully diluted valuation. And this is going to be capped off at about $3 million. So it's going to fill up very, very fast. Now, to get VIP benefits for their token launch, they say if you do at least $10,000 worth of USDT, you get a minimum of 100,000 MPass tokens at about 10 cents, plus 100,000 MB DAO token allocation and a Golden Grenade VIP NFT membership, the Chaps token exposure, along with access to the Moonboots private angel network, enhanced DAO staking and voting rights, fully vetted deal flow and DD reports, and OTC offerings like the big VCs get. That simply stands for over the counter. So you just get exclusive deals on newer token launches, which is how you get in early to these projects, and MoonPass portfolio management. So you simply choose whether you want special or a VIP allocation. Then you select the network, and it looks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon. You enter in your email, then you connect your wallet, and then you complete the process to get your allocation. Now, the reason why this project is set out to be a big deal is because Moonboots Capital invested in over 100 projects in 2021 alone during that last bull run. The DeFi, NFT bull run, the metaverse, different digital economies, on-chain solutions, and decentralized infrastructure plays. And they provided direct seed financing to the most promising blockchain startups to leverage their network of major industry VCs to ensure that every project they help was strategically funded and had the highest chance of success. And they collectively made more than $100 million in profits from the tokens in the last bull run. And now that they're becoming a DAO and launching their MB token and fund, it's going to propel them to the next level from just being a launch pad for other projects to help them through their network. So why is this the perfect opportunity right now if you guys are looking for that next, 100x or even 1000x play? Well, if you missed out on the projects that I mentioned to you months ago at the start of this video that have already been up, 2 to 10x this early in the bull run, because we're just getting started, a lot of these projects still have legs to run, but most of these projects aren't going to perform, 100 or 1000x because you should have been accumulating them months ago. So if you're brand new to the channel and you want to know the best way to get into the projects that could do that 100x or 1000x even later in the bull run, because guys, understand that some of the best projects are going to be launching after Bitcoin's halving and they haven't even come out yet. So the main utility, the Moonboots DAO, is they're going to be getting into some of the top projects early in the bull run and even later in the bull run, and they already have the right connections and experience. And if you go to the Moonboots DAO Twitter, you'll see that their top post that was pinned on their profile was March 31st, announcing this launch literally 1 week ago. So you guys are hearing about this very, very early. They've already gathered a huge user base ready to push the DAO. So one of the main reasons why it makes sense to hold the MB DAO token is because it's very tough to get into new token launches at the best pricing, because you need to hold a certain amount of different tokens for these launch pads for trendy projects. And it's virtually impossible to benefit from every single launch out there unless you're like glued to crypto Twitter and you have millions of dollars to qualify for new projects and you're well diversified and connected in this industry. And you might just be too busy, with your life and your work to even pay attention to which projects are launching, what dates they're launching, how to get allocations, and to stay at the forefront in the leading edge this entire bull run. So here's how it works if you're just an investor who likes to stay in the background and just benefit from new projects that are launching all the time with the Moonboots DAO. So imagine if, the MB DAO puts, let's say, $15,000 into a project that's launching, they would get the best IDO price because they have the most credibility due to the size of their Moonboots Capital Fund. Now, if the project does, let's say 100x, well, that's turning that $15,000 into 1.5 million minus the $15,000 they put in, then the DAO would use, the 1.4 some odd million dollars to buy back the MB DAO token. So here's how this will be split. 25% of their profits from other tokens goes to the DAO treasury, 20% goes to liquidity, 40% of the tokens get destroyed and they get burned, and then 15% goes to people staking their tokens. Now, when the project launches, the DAO then sells these tokens in a healthy bull market using their expert strategies, artificial intelligence, indicators, and market makers, rather than just operating off of emotion like an everyday retail investor would, selling the bottom or buying the top. They then use the profits that they generate from new token launches to buy back the MB DAO tokens to support a healthy floor price. So for example, in the 2021 bull run, Moonboots raised over $15 million, and the fees from this were roughly like $1 million to $1.5 million. And then many projects gave more than a 40x return, adding up to about $50 million in unrealized profit. So think about it, guys. What would just $10 million of a buyback do for the MB DAO token in the new stages before the liquidity in the market cap is over 10 million, 20, 50, or even $100 million? And obviously there's no guarantees here, and I'm not going to tell you to buy or sell anything. I just provide you guys with the information on what these projects are doing. Then it's up to you to do your own research and choose what's right for you. But the progress that they've made so far is very, very good because they've already invested in over 10 projects. I've scoured through their Twitter, gone through their entire website, and those 10 projects with their MB DAO fund, includes different BRC20 projects like Portal DeFi, Gunzilla Games by Off the Grid, or Dr. Disrespect, one of the largest, if not the largest gaming streamer in the world, says it's the best he's ever seen in a battle royale. They have Aether Games, Aether Nodes, Gaimin, Orange DX, and tons of other projects that they're in on early. And they've also secured massive partners and backers like Cointelegraph, Gate.io, Bitconomy, Bybit, Animoca Brands, Master Ventures, Seedify, ChainGPT, Star Atlas, Nakamoto Games, Commonwealth, and tons of others that are very well connected in the space. So this is why smart investors and crypto traders are taking note. And the reason why you should care about the MB DAO token is because imagine getting early access to projects that could potentially do, 100x or even 1000x, because Moonboots, guys, has the connections, the experience, they have the proven track record already, and the pre-launch progress is nothing short of impressive right now. Even with over 15 projects already funded, and they're adding more continuously, they've already collected over $300,000 in fees, and it's only been 1 week since their announcement. So the launch of the MB DAO token is set for late April. So this is the last chance before they are sold out for their IDO. So you want to make sure you go to the official link in the description below, so you're not on a fake website that is going to scam you and drain your entire wallet. Remember, guys, I told you I was hacked for like $100,000 because I just went on Google, I typed in the website, and it took me to a fake website. So I'll leave the official link in the description below this video, and then you just simply click on the contribute now button and enter how much USDT you want to contribute of the token, and it'll show you how many MBDAO tokens you will receive for your allocation for special or for VIP access if you guys want to benefit from OTC deals and other benefits in the bull run. Then you select either Ethereum, BNB, or the Polygon network, enter your email, connect your wallet, and then contribute the USDT to get in early. So that way you can benefit from every single project that they add to their portfolio. That way you don't have to watch the markets every single day, losing sleep, sitting behind your computer 24/7. And also, if you want to get exclusive access to the underground guidebook for discovering 100x altcoins on your own, and you want to do your own research, I want to give you the resources to be able to do that. Even if you have no previous crypto trading experience, all you need to do is go to bullrunners.com. The link will be in the description below as well too. Click the button on the page, put in your best email address. You'll be instantly subscribed to our daily video newsletter to get this information first before these videos come out, because we like to give you the best to help you prepare for the worst that's yet to come in this economy, because the spending power of the dollar is going to continue to go down in value over time. That's a fact. Blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, decentralized autonomous organizations, gaming, artificial intelligence, meme coins, and other narratives and niches within crypto are going to absolutely explode over the next few years. That's a fact. And together, you guys know where we're going. I always say in every video, we're going camping on the beaches of the moon. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you on bullrunners.com. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.